The prosecution resting its case in the porch shooting trial today. Did Theodore Wafer kill Renisha McBride because he feared for his life? Or was this murder?
7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig is live in Detroit. And Kim, now that the defense is up, is there any indication that Wafer will take the stand?
Joanne and Jeff, still no word if Wafer will take the stand, but if he does, no doubt the jury will want to hear why at first he said the shooting was an accident, but now claims self-defense.
Do you think more could have been done in this investigation?
Based on the circumstances, no. I handled the investigation as best I thought.
Theodore Wafer's defense attorney questioning the lead investigator into the homicide of Renisha McBride. The defense suggesting that the 19-year-old was not looking for help or disoriented after a crash, but rather she could have been one of several people trying to break into Wafer's house.
So you didn't even think about that when you're on the scene that night? You didn't even think through your head that this could have been a break-in, did you?
There was no evidence that it was a break-in.
And then there was some kind of debris on the air conditioner unit that the defense suggested was a footprint.
I don't know when that footprint was placed there. Maybe Mr. Wafer climbed on his air conditioner to look at his gutters. I don't know. I don't know where that came from.
Or maybe there was a second person trying to gain entry in the back of the house. Did you ever think of that?
Then that's the person Mr. Wafer should have shot.
In your opinion, what was the cause of death?
Shotgun wound to head.
And what was the manner of death?
Homicide.
The last witness for the prosecution was Dr. Kalak Kesha, a Wayne County assistant medical examiner who performed the autopsy on 19-year-old McBride. And his analysis will be put up against forensic pathologist Werner Spitz, who was the first witness for the defense. Dr. Kesha saying after he washed blood off of McBride's hand, he could tell it was not injured and the blood may have come from the crash or the shotgun blast. But the defense is suggesting her hand was injured from banging on Wafer's front and side doors so violently that he feared for his life.
And if you look at the fingers, they look swollen.
Any swelling that you could appreciate, or any swelling that you could see on either one of her hands?
There was no swelling to her hands.
And tomorrow morning, Dr. Werner Spitz will be back on the stand for the defense. In downtown Detroit, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News. Jeff, back to you.
Okay.